All right, today we're making a grilled bacon and tomatillo with jalapeno guacamole. And for today, we're gonna do 2 avocados. These are fairly large. These are your large Hass avocados. Go directly through it. Sometimes the pit will come right out, which is easier. Now, because avocado is soft today, we're gonna add some lemon juice so that way it prevents it from turning brown as we're prepping our other ingredients for this. You don't wanna go too heavy on the salt because remember, we're adding bacon to it. Take a juicer or your hand. Half a lemon is good. If you want it to be more citrus, more acidic, then use the entire lemon. So at this point, if you want to incorporate it all, take a fork. You can take back end of a spoon. This one, we're just gonna do about half a cup worth of onion. Incorporate that in. We want the nice, pretty flavors to come out. Today, we are going to do a little bit of tomatillo with roasted Roma tomato. We're just giving this a rough chop right now. Get that really incorporated with tomatoes. Tomatillos have a great flavor, in my opinion. For today, we're gonna use a roasted jalapeno. Use a knife to get as much of that vein out. That is where a lot of the heat lies. If you use your fingers, be cautious. Man, it smells really good already. I'm gonna add about 6 slices worth of bacon that has already been rendered down, chopped up. I figured, you know what, let's do this for a really nice tailgate or a party. It's super simple. It'll take you about 15 minutes to cut everything down. Look at that. Classic with some chips. There you go.